Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Zorn, founder and director of BPH Canada. Today I'm going to talk about the Contino device, a revolutionary new product made here in Canada, in British Columbia actually, that is going to change the way so many men with severe urinary incontinence have to live. And really what this is, it's such a simple idea. Using the normal urethral aperture, there's a small fossa navicularis, which is right near the tip of the penis, which opens up and then thins out, and to use that slight variation in size and to form a plug internally. So no matter what position a gentleman sits in, stands in, moves in, plays tennis, golf, this stays in place. It's simple, it's effective, and it's so easy to apply. You'll just insert, there's some light lubrication, lift up, pull out the inserter, and off we go, back to regular life activities. So really it's a non-surgical, it's clinically proven, it's effective, and I really think that the most important thing I've heard from my patients, the quality of life is restored immediately. So talk to your doctor, learn more about my Contino, and come visit us for a free consultation.